So I've purchased this Portronics wireless keyboard, and basically it is a foldable keyboard. It supports iOS, Android and Windows. Let's start this video and let's see that how is this keyboard. It's a foldable keyboard and yeah, let's unbox it. Before that, hi friends, you're watching All About Tech, and without wasting your time, let's start. This is the parcel and now I'm going to open it. First of all, I'm going to sanitize. Okay. Oh, it's really necessary. And also I will clean this. Now let's open this. I will keep this aside. And this is the bill. I have purchased it for rupees 1100 and its MRP price is almost 2000 rupees. Yeah, almost 2000. This is Portronics chiclet keyboard, and basically it's a foldable keyboard. As you can see here, it's a foldable keyboard and it supports iOS, Android and Windows. You will get one user manual, one charging cable. You don't need to insert any cell in this keyboard. You just need to charge it with this cable. Okay, and it's a micro USB cable. This is the keyboard. Talking about the build quality, it is good, but I will not say that it is best. Let's talk about the physical overview. Here is the power on and off button and also connect button, and this is the keyboard. This is the charging port. Now let's connect it. I am going to connect it with my iPad. Okay, now I am going to switch it on. Okay, yeah, as you can see, this blue light is blinking now. Now quickly I am going to connect it with my iPad. Now it's in pairing mode, and as you can see, Bluetooth 3.0 keyboard. Now it's connected. So I have opened notes in this iPad and I have not typed anything, as you can see. Now I'm going to type something. Yeah, as you can see, Portronics. I hope it is visible. It is working really good. Means I thought that there will be some delay, but no, there is no delay. Let's type something. Okay. So I have typed this. Portronics chiclet keyboard is really good. And yeah, there is no delay. I am really impressed with this keyboard. Now let's talk about the advantages and disadvantages of this keyboard. First I'm going to start with pros or advantages. First advantage is this foldable mechanism which is given in this keyboard. It's really good. And next thing is the weight. It is really lightweight. It weighs about 175 grams only. And talking about the Bluetooth range, according to the information which is given on the box, Bluetooth range is of almost 8 to 10 meters. According to me, yeah, it's almost same only. Now let's talk about the connectivity. How was the connection? Was it really bad? Was it good or average? According to me, it was really good. As I've shown you, I have connected this keyboard with my iPad, and when I turn on the Bluetooth, then immediately it was showing Bluetooth 3.0 keyboard, and it got paired within 5 to 6 seconds only. So there is no issue regarding the connection. Battery is of 180 mAh and it's a lithium polymer battery according to the information which is given on this box, and standby time is of 6 months and working time is of 140 hours, again according to the information which is given on the box. If you will ask that how is the battery life, now I cannot tell you anything about the battery life because I have just unboxed it. I have not used it even for a single day, so I cannot tell you that how is the battery life. But if you will use it heavily, then it can last up to 3 to 4 days. But if you will use it normally, then yeah, it can last for a really long time. Now let's talk about the keys. As this is a chiclet keyboard, so keys are really good and there is not such noise. If you will press it like this, then definitely you will get some noise, but overall keys are really good. Okay, now let's talk about the disadvantages or the cons. There is actually only one disadvantage which I have noticed. It's about the build quality. Build quality is not that good. I will say that it is average. It is not that good, not that bad. And now let's come to conclusion that if you should buy this Portronics Chiclet foldable keyboard or not. Yes, you should buy this keyboard. If you have laptop and if your keyboard is not working properly, then this is the best option for you, because if you have any Android tablet or Android phone, and also if you have iPad or iPhone, it can connect with any device. It can connect with iOS, Windows or Android also. If you will search any other keyboard, then first of all, if you will search any wireless keyboard, then you will get USB adapter also, but there is no adapter in this keyboard. You have to turn on the Bluetooth and you can connect it. And if you will search any other keyboard, again there is one more keyboard from Logitech which is priced at 2500 rupees. It's same like this keyboard, means that keyboard is not foldable, but yeah, you can connect it with any device, means you can connect it with iOS, Android or Windows, and basically with any device that has Bluetooth. So should you purchase that keyboard or should you purchase this Portronics keyboard? If you have really tight budget of rupees 1000, then I think that you should purchase this keyboard. Or else if you want really long lasting keyboard, means if you want really good build quality, if you want really good keyboard, then I think that you should purchase Logitech keyboard, because Logitech is also really good. And yeah, that's it. You can purchase this keyboard. This keyboard is really good. I hope you guys have liked this video. Please hit the like button and comment and tell me that how was this video, and follow me on Instagram. Instagram ID is AAT_121. Subscribe to All About Tech. See you guys in the next video, and till then, bye bye.